Before watching the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified each time we publish a new video. It is a known fact that coconut oil is antifungal, antibacterial, and has various other benefits, even though it is easy to find around us. Coconut oil can be used either on the skin or orally. But did you know that it can give your dog and cat shiny and healthy hair as well as avoid dry and itchy skin? Are you aware that it also gets rid of parasites, such as fleas and scabies? Coconut oil is a powerful natural oil that can be used on your pet's ears and body to remove fungal and bacterial infections. The use of coconut oil for treating fleas on dogs and cats can be cheaper, effective, and without causing any side effects. If you ingest your cat or dog with coconut oil regularly, it can offer benefits to their skin, immune system, metabolism, and digestive system. Coconut oil contains linoleic acid, which is responsible for eliminating and fighting parasites. Be sure to buy the original natural coconut oil in order to get the desired benefits, or better still, make your own coconut oil at home. Normally, when coconut oil is kept in a warm temperature, it will have a liquid, oily and transparent appearance. But when kept in a very cold temperature, it will turn white and look solid like butter. However, the change in temperature does not affect the efficacy of coconut oil. The recommended dosage of coconut oil to be ingested in your dogs or cats is a 1/4 tablespoon, which should be once or twice daily. A moderate amount of coconut oil should be rubbed on the affected skin area of your pet to eliminate infections. You can do it once or twice daily until the infection clears. However, always seek the attention of your veterinarian before any treatment. Finally, be sure to wash your pet's bed and items to avoid recurring infections. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it on your social media platforms for others to benefit. For more helpful videos and tips, subscribe to the channel.